Today we have a Dell Vostro laptop. We need to replace the thermal paste. The laptop is about 3 years old, I think. It's a Ryzen CPU. The model of the laptop is Dell Vostro 15 3515. Basically we have to take the back cover off. We're gonna disconnect the battery and we're gonna replace the thermal paste. So let's start. I think the laptop has been opened only once before, but we'll see now. All the screws are the same size. Let me get something. And we see some stuff here. Now let's disconnect the battery, of course. We don't want to do any damage on the board. The fan is held by 2 screws. I think we can remove it separately. Yeah. Disconnect the cable. The fan is sealed, but anyway we're gonna clean it with a brush. There is a little bit of hair. So now let's remove the 4 screws which are holding the cooler. Actually the laptop looks pretty clean, so not much of a dust in it. Just move the cooler a little bit left to right and lift it. The paste is a little bit too much, I think, but let's tighten the screws. We're gonna brush the fan a little bit. In other cases, if we can lift the metal shield on the cooler, we can try and lubricate the fan, but in this case it's sealed, so not much we can do. I'm gonna use a dry Q-tip to get the old paste a little bit. The old paste stuck pretty good on the Q-tip, so that's my method. Now we're gonna put some alcohol. And we're gonna clean it. Like this, nice and shiny. Now let me clean the cooler a little bit. Yeah, the paste is a bit dry, so it was about time, I think. Try to clean the old as much as you can. Yeah, like this. Now let's apply the new paste. M-Hix4 as usual. You can put a dot on the CPU, you can try to spread it with a card, it's up to you. Sorry about that, a customer just came. So yeah, let's put the cooler back. You can move it a little bit left to right in order for the paste to get even. Now we have to put the screws. Now let's plug the fan and let's put the screws. Nothing complicated. You can use this video for a few models of Dell Vostro. Basically just leave the back cover and you should be able to replace the laptop. Now let's plug back the battery and let's put the back cover. That's the boring part. Let's see, do we have a battery and a picture, of course. Let's wait a little bit because we did disconnect the battery and I didn't check if there any CMOS battery on the board. Yeah, the fan is spinning nicely, I can hear it. Yeah, we have the Dell logo. I won't show you because there's the customer information on the laptop. Pretty much that's the whole video. You can use it for upgrading the laptop, replacing the hard drive, replacing the thermal paste, pretty much everything. I hope you like it. That's it for now. Bye bye.